Hey, what's going on? It's Ontarian Hawkins from ProdigyMarketingOnline.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in under 5 minutes. That's right, using the Power Lead system. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a new domain name. I'm going to create a new domain name just for this video. We're going to name it Landing Test. Landing Test. I'm going to hit Create. So we want to click here to use an existing web page from our library. Yes. It's going to take us to this page right here. And folks, this is just a few clicks and we're done. So you see all these landing pages here. A lot of these are share codes, which I'll get into that later. A lot of these are share codes. So what I can do is just come down right. I like that one with the Lamborghini. How about that? Click that. Scroll all the way down. Save my choice. Aweber setting. Yes, we'll take that. Submit. And just like that, folks, we have a landing page. I think that was less than a minute. So basically, this is tied to an already sales funnel that's already in place. So basically, let me go back here. So these are all shared choices. These are all share codes. So what I just created is already tied to a sales funnel. So in the next video, I'm going to actually do another video where I'll show you how to create one where you actually can modify it. Okay, you can modify it to your liking. So again, this is Ontarian Hawkins from ProdigyMarketingOnline.com. You see how fast that was, and look for the next video where I'll show you how to create a custom landing page that you can actually go in and change some wording around and actually change it to your liking. So look for that, and this is Ontarian Hawkins from ProdigyMarketingOnline.com. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.